How to go live on TikTok. Now, this is a very easy and quick process. If you go ahead and just access or pull up your TikTok account, you'll just have to make sure that you are currently logged into your account. Now, the first thing that you will do is anywhere in these fields, either on home or inbox or profile, all you have to do is to tap on the plus icon right here, which is on the center part, and then all you have to do is you can choose options below like post templates. Now usually live or photo or video will be visible here. As you can see, there is no option for me to choose on live, because if you have time to read the TikTok's terms and agreements and rules, you should have, or you should be able to, or you need to reach at least 1,000 followers for you to have that specific feature. So again, that's our challenge right here. For you to be able to go live on TikTok, all you have to do is to reach 1,000 followers, so you will be able to go live. That's it. That's how you go live on TikTok.